The moment I heard that guy's hub sound, I knew my fucking zone 2 was ruined. I was gonna fucking keep up, and I knew it wasn't gonna be easy. Oh, damn. Morning.
Morning, yes.
I'm good, thanks.
Lovely morning.
It is, it's a wonderful morning. What day gets started?
Yeah.
Thankfully, the guy is turned off now. And now my heart rate's all the way up. But it was a good session.
Morning again.
Morning.
Thank you, guys.
Cheers.